Most people think intelligence is about how much you know. They think it is about your IQ score, your college degree, or how quickly you can solve a math problem. But here's what the research actually shows. The behaviors that separate truly intelligent people from everyone else are not about what they do. They are about what they absolutely refuse to do. And some of these will surprise you. Stay with me until the very end, because the fifth thing on this list is something almost every person on earth does daily without ever realizing how deeply it is holding them back. Let us get one thing clear before we begin. Real intelligence does not show up in a test score. It shows up in how a person thinks, communicates, makes decisions, and navigates the world every single day. According to research published in the Journal of Intelligence and Cognitive Psychology, highly intelligent individuals demonstrate specific behavioral patterns that set them apart from the general population. And the most revealing part is not what they do, it is what they consistently choose not to do. These are not habits they were taught, these are natural tendencies that emerge from how their minds process the world. Let us walk through all 5. 1. They never pretend to know things they do not actually know. Pay close attention to this one, because it is more powerful than it sounds. When most people are asked a question they cannot answer, they do one of 3 things. They make something up, they give a vague response that sounds knowledgeable but says nothing, or they deflect the question entirely because admitting "I don't know" feels like admitting weakness. Highly intelligent people do the exact opposite. They have absolutely no problem saying, "I don't know. I'm not sure about that. I need to look into that before I give you an accurate answer." And here is why. Because they understand that pretending to know something you do not is far more foolish than admitting a gap in your knowledge. Their confidence does not come from appearing to know everything. It comes from knowing exactly what they know and being fully honest about what they do not. Gaps in knowledge do not threaten them. They see them as open doors, not closed walls. This is what researchers call intellectual humility, and it is one of the clearest signs of genuine intelligence because it shows that a person values truth and accuracy far more than their ego or how others perceive them. 2. They never engage in pointless arguments or fight to win every debate. Think carefully about this one, because it reveals something profound. When you see someone who argues about everything, who always needs to be right, who turns every single conversation into a competition they must win, you are not watching intelligence. You are watching insecurity. Truly intelligent people choose their battles with extreme care. They do not waste mental energy trying to convince someone who has already decided not to change their mind. They do not feel compelled to correct every wrong statement they hear. They do not engage with people who are arguing in bad faith or who are not genuinely interested in finding the truth. Why? Because they understand a fundamental difference. Some conversations are productive and lead to mutual learning. Others are just ego battles that consume energy and produce nothing. Intelligent people can tell the two apart immediately. When they do engage in a discussion, it is because they genuinely want to explore ideas, understand a different perspective, or arrive at a better conclusion, not because they need to prove they are smarter than someone else. Here is where things get truly interesting. In today's world, information is everywhere. You can watch a YouTube video, skim a Wikipedia article, scroll through a few posts on social media, and walk away feeling like you have learned something. Most people do exactly this, and then speak with full confidence about topics they have barely scratched the surface of. But highly intelligent people have a completely different relationship with knowledge. They understand the difference between exposure and mastery, between knowing about something and actually understanding it deeply. They do not watch one documentary about physics and then feel qualified to debate physicists. They do not read one article about psychology and suddenly think they can diagnose everyone around them. Psychologists call this epistemic humility. It means they understand how much they do not know, even in the areas where they do have genuine knowledge. They recognize that real expertise takes years of study, practice, and lived experience, and they respect that process deeply. This makes them perpetual students of life, always learning, always questioning, always digging deeper, but never pretending they have arrived at complete understanding. 3. They never make major decisions based purely on emotions in the moment. Notice the words purely and in the moment, because this distinction matters enormously. Highly intelligent people are not emotionless robots. They feel things deeply. They have strong emotional responses. They absolutely consider their emotions when making decisions. But here is what they do not do. They do not let a temporary emotional state dictate a major life decision. When they are angry, they do not send that email, make that phone call, or start that confrontation. When they are excited, they do not immediately commit to something without thinking through the consequences. When they are sad or discouraged, they do not make permanent decisions based on feelings that are temporary. Neuroscientists call this emotional regulation. It is the ability to feel an emotion fully without being controlled by it. Intelligent people create space between the feeling and the action. They ask themselves questions like, will I feel the same way about this tomorrow? What about next week? What about 6 months from now? They understand that emotions carry important information about what matters to them. But that information needs to pass through rational thought before it becomes action. This does not make them cold. It makes them wise. Because they avoid the kind of regret that comes from impulsive decisions made at emotional peaks and valleys. 4. They never surround themselves with people who only agree with them. This one is counterintuitive, and it catches most people off guard. Human beings naturally seek comfort, validation, and agreement. We gravitate toward people who think like us, share our values, and confirm what we already believe. Highly intelligent people actively choose the opposite. They want people in their lives who will disagree with them, respectfully. People who will point out flaws in their reasoning. People who bring perspectives they had not considered. People who challenge their assumptions and push them to think more carefully. Because they understand something most people miss. Growth does not happen inside an echo chamber. You do not become smarter by surrounding yourself with people who tell you that you are right about everything. You become smarter by engaging with people who make you defend your ideas, refine your thinking, and sometimes completely change your mind. Highly intelligent people are not threatened by being proven wrong. They are energized by it, because it means they just learned something new and upgraded their understanding. Psychologist Carol Dweck calls this a growth mindset, the belief that intelligence is not a fixed trait to protect, but a living thing that grows through effort and challenge. This makes intelligent people incredibly intentional about who they spend time with. Not in an arrogant way, in a deeply purposeful way. They seek people who elevate their thinking, not people who simply make them feel smart. 5. They never mistake busyness for productivity, or confuse activity with achievement. This is the one that will change how you look at your own daily life. We live in a culture that glorifies being busy. People brag about how packed their schedule is, how many hours they work, how they barely have time to breathe. Somehow, being exhausted has become a status symbol. But highly intelligent people see through this completely. They understand that being busy and being effective are two entirely different things. They know that working 80 hours a week on the wrong things accomplishes less than working 20 focused hours on the right things. They prioritize ruthlessly. They concentrate on high-impact activities that actually move them toward meaningful goals. And they say no to everything else even if those things look important or urgent to other people. The management thinker Peter Drucker put it perfectly. Efficiency is doing things right. Effectiveness is doing the right things. Most people are obsessed with efficiency, getting more done faster, optimizing every minute, multitasking constantly. But intelligent people are obsessed with effectiveness, making absolutely sure that what they are doing actually matters before they worry about how to do it faster. This means they often appear less busy than others. They have more free time, more space to think, more capacity to be fully present, because they are not burning energy on activities that lead nowhere. They understand that rest, reflection, and unstructured time are not luxuries. They are essential ingredients of creativity, clear thinking, and sustainable performance. When you put all 5 of these together, a clear picture emerges. Highly intelligent people are not trying to appear smart. They are trying to be accurate. They are not trying to win arguments. They are trying to discover what is true. They are not pretending to know everything. They are staying honest about how much there is still to learn. They are not letting emotions run their decisions. They are using emotions as useful information, then thinking carefully before acting. They are not surrounding themselves with people who agree with everything they say. They are seeking out challenge, friction, and growth. And they are not confusing motion with progress. They are focusing their energy on what actually matters. This is what creates people who are not only intellectually capable, but emotionally mature, socially grounded, and genuinely effective in everything they pursue. True intelligence is not loud. It does not need to announce itself. It shows up quietly in the habits, the boundaries, and the decisions that most people never even notice. The question is not whether you are intelligent. The question is, which of these 5 things are you still doing, and what happens when you finally stop? If this hit you somewhere real, share it with one person in your life who needs to hear it. And drop a comment below telling me which of the 5 resonated with you most, because that conversation is exactly the kind that makes everyone in it a little smarter.